In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the internal battery on a Mazda 6 hatchback key fob. This key fob was used between 2006 and 2008, and inside we will find a CR1620 battery. And it's pretty easy to open up. If you want to start by flipping out the key, and what we're going to do is press up on this top piece of plastic right from in there. If you have something like a flathead screwdriver, you can very easily hold the top part that will not be moving and push up from inside this key area. And you can see we're starting to separate it. You can push up again until you can just get your tool in the bottom here and give it a little twist. Oops. And the whole thing will just come right off like that. Now we have access to the battery, and it's in there pretty well, and you will need a tool to remove this. I'm going to use a little precision screwdriver. You can get these like in a set just for a couple bucks online. If you needed to, you could get in with a pen, toothpick, something like that, but kind of the easiest and maybe the safest for your fob to use a tool like this. Now, in the bottom right, you'll see this little arrow that's indicating to us where we're going to insert our tool, and push it down, and with a little rocking motion, you can see it just came right out. I'll show you that again. Bottom right corner, put your tool into the bottom, pull down, and rock until you release the battery. There's the 1620 battery. Get a brand new one. And when you're putting this back in, make sure you put the side with the text down. That's the positive side. It needs to go in like so. And just push it up first into this area with the metal so you can click it down on the bottom. Let's see that again. You need to slide it up, click it in, and you have your new battery, and you can just put the piece of plastic right back, make sure everything lines up, and you're good to go. All set with your Mazda 6 hatchback key fob. Thanks for watching.